I mean, you should definitely have your own site or application. It could be a personal site. It could be a project like the software with, but I think it's a very important to, when you're building a community, you just can't do it on someone else's site entirely. It's that you're just going to hit a cap, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, whatever. It's just, those are useful channels. They can be the seed of proving the idea deserves more and proving that if there's 500,000 mommy bloggers following you on Instagram right now, you're probably better off moving them over to your mommy blog. That's a better place to be for you as the creator. So, but maybe you don't want to invest the whole thing of building a massive blog and product up front. So try out a social media channel, invent a handle, claim a name, see if it's out there. Commit yourself to 100 posts, 200 posts, and see where you end up. And see if the demand is there to build something bigger. So I think the existing social media channels are really good for getting feedback on your idea and seeing if it's something that you want to go deeper on, or maybe you want to pivot. So I think the simplest advice early in your career is build things. If you want to be in tech, that's what's going to happen in the next step. You have to keep building things anyway. So if you have your own thing as an example, hopefully it's not only can it be an example, but it can also make you money. So if it's doing both of those things, now you have a real business. If it just serves as an example and it helps you get a job and your foot in the door at the next place, all the better. That's still a successful outcome, and it's investing in yourself. So whenever you're saying, why am I posting this thing? Why am I taking the time to create content or reply to this stranger on the internet who doesn't get what I'm doing or does get what I'm doing? And it's an investment in yourself. And it's an investment in your brand and your future company and your future career opportunities. So the simplest advice is build the thing and post about it.